Hi friends! Today I'm unboxing Barbie, Skipper, Babysitters, Inc. Do you want to see us unbox it?
Yes, I want to see us unbox it.
I'm gonna unbox it first. I think. Try to get this.
Good. That's one way to do it. Rip it open. Rip it open. Rip.
I can't rip it or it'll go or it will mess up.
Oh, look at that. Wow.
Look, guys. This is her. She has pink shoes. And she has a rainbow dress.
Oh, that's so cute. So cute.
Oh. Now I'm gonna get them out. The baby is so cute.
He is cute.
It's
Oh, how cute.
so cute.
Oh, I love her little pigtails.
Oh, I do too. Look, she can do the splits.
Wow.
Yes, I can do the splits.
She's so cute.
I'm gonna help her get up. She's only a baby.
Oh.
Thank you, Yana. You're welcome. I'm gonna sit you down now.
Ooh, there's a little couch. She can sit down at the ice cream shop. Wow, doesn't she look cute?
Now I'm gonna get the baby out. Aww. A cute newborn. Oh, I got it out now.
Wow, look how
Aw.
cute.
Look how cute he
He's
is.
adorable.
Wow, look. He's so cute.
He is cute.
Aww.
Maybe she can hold him. Can she hold him?
I think he can. I gotta get his diaper right now.
Oh, his diaper's coming off.
No, I just unplugged. I just
Took it off.
took it off.
Uh-oh, they dropped the baby. Maybe she can hold him. So tell her she has to be very careful. Oh, his diaper he doesn't want to wear diapers. Oh, look how cute. Oh, that's so cute. Super cute.
Mama.
Okay,
Now you can
and now
unbox
it's-
this one.
I get a chance to open. Thank you. This is so cool.
The baby comes with a bottom. I actually want to take off these glasses.
So you can see better.
I can see, but it's cool.
Oh, here we go. I don't know if I did as good
Mama,
a job as you did, Iana.
I can help.
Oh, you want to show everybody what he looks like? Is it a girl or a boy?
It's a girl.
It's a girl? Oh, she has eyelashes, so you're going to make her a girl?
She's a girl.
Okay.
How?
She is so cute. Oh.
Cute. I wanted to Do you want to go up close? Okay. Here you go.
So cute. Super
so
cute.
I'm gonna take off my glasses now.
Oh, what else comes with it?
Oh, her bottle. I could just pull it out. Or I could just take the straps off and take it out. There we go.
Oh, she has a bottle.
Look at the bottle, guys. And look at the baby.
Aww.
I'm gonna show you the bottle. There we go. The bottle.
Oh, don't fall. You almost fell. Be careful. Ooh, what else is there?
Oh, a blanket.
Oh, that's such a cute blanket for the baby.
Let me try this. Okay. Aww. Ooh, or maybe it's the mat so she can play.
Well, she can sit up and play. That's so cute.
Thanks for joining us, guys. Bye.
Bye.